Welcome to another TIRIAScast. I'm Jim McGregor from Tirias Research, and I'm here with John Weil at Synaptics Tech Day 2025. And I have to be honest, we just sat down and talked about your announcement, and I got more excited about it. So, John, first introduce yourself, and then let's talk about the big announcement, this new SL2610 family of products.
Thanks, Jim. I'm John Weil. I run the processor business for Synaptics. Been building processors for 27 years, and I'm having a blast. And yeah, today we rolled out the 2610 product line, and it's pretty exciting.
And this 2610, it's not only it's the first step in a follow-on to your 1600 product line.
It's a first step in a whole new series of products, and we rolled out 5 new families in that series today.
So you kind of teased this, or teased me with it.
Teased you with
saying
it, yeah.
that, you know, it's starting below the 2600. So, I mean, this has the capabilities of a microcontroller and an applications processor. Matter of fact, you can even run dual operating systems on this, and it has an integrated NPU using the Google's latest technology, and it's going to eventually scale up all the way past the 2600.
All the way past the 1600.
1600,
yeah, our old ones. Yeah, so we partnered with Google on this. We've been talking about this a little bit now for a few months. It has the Coral NPU in it with our technology as well, and we call the Torq NPU. And the 2600 series is the first to introduce that, and hopefully many, many years of excellence to come.
Now, the important part is that it's small. It's very power efficient.
Very power efficient.
It's got a lot of scalable performance capabilities for AI, for as a microcontroller functionality, as an applications processor, so handling higher level operating systems. And you know, you're basically targeting this for anything from something that's battery powered to something that actually can use 3D graphics.
Yeah, I mean, you can run this part as a microcontroller first mindset.
Yeah.
You can run it on AA batteries, an application processor where you can duty cycle and figure out how exactly you're going to run your application in that low power and use that advanced compute when you need it. And then really go back to microcontroller mode and just run really low power.
2 key things here. One, you're announcing 5 products all at one time in this product family.
5 new families.
And the fact that, you know, these are pin compatible.
All pin, yep.
And that it's using the same open source software tool set that you already developed around
the Astra SDK.
Exactly.
Yep. The Astra SDK is built like single command line. You can switch back and forth super easy. Just go in and say, nope, I'm on the other platform. All the drivers move over. Everything's easy to use.
So, I mean, you even told me that you went out and talked to customers and said, listen, what would you want if you developed your own chip?
Yeah, we went out globally, around the world, and took our Astra customers we had in the past, new customers that we were talking to, and we said, basically, very simple, what is the processor you always wanted? If your boss is asking you to build an AI application at the edge, what do you need to do that? What's on your horizon? Mm-hmm. And so we set out, the whole team, our mission, like written on the wall, was build the processor you always wanted.
So this is really interesting because typically in the past, I mean, we've both been in the industry for a long time. You had to choose through a huge parts list of, okay, well, I need this microcontroller for this function or this applications processor. And you were piecemealing systems together. You're giving a whole family of very kind of tailored solutions for a whole very broad set of applications. And this is, once again, the first step.
Yeah, and these 5 family members, or 5 families, there's something for everybody in one of those 5 families.
Yeah.
And the idea was, again, back to building the processor you want. You can get just the right amount of apps processor with micro. You can get apps processor with neural processor if you need GPU capability. Or you're an industrial customer and you need to build a robotic hand or arm or a humanoid or something. There's an industrial grade version of it as well for you with industrial peripherals.
And with the size and power, you could have, like in a robotic arm, you might have several different motors throughout the different arm.
Yep.
So you could actually daisy chain multiple different SL2600s together throughout it.
You can take very specifically the 2619 family, has time-sensitive networking, multiple ports, has CAN-FD, multiple ports. You can daisy chain this processor in a robot, and it has high-grade motor control PWMs in it, and you can spin almost anything.
Plus industrial temperature ranges.
All industrial temp.
Failover protection.
ECC memory. And a secure enclave to boot.
This is like everything in the kitchen sink. What didn't you put in there?
Again, we focused on what is it that our customers always wanted. What were other semiconductor companies ignoring, and how do we go in and give them what they need to solve their problems?
Yeah.
And we defined those 5 families around that.
And the best thing is it's a single chip that solves their problem. They don't have to go out and look at multiple chips to do this.
Yeah, the big one was the microcontroller first mindset. We had a lot of customers that said, we use application processors. We sometimes need to add another micro in the system. Some of the application processors have micro cores, but they can't really use the resources on the chip. It's just like a little helper core.
Yeah.
Programmable state machine, for lack of a better word. And we made the microcontroller subsystem in the 2610 families first-rate citizen. So it can control anything on the chip. You want to run the 3D GPU with it, you can run the 3D GPU. You want to talk the wireless network, you can talk on the wireless network. You truly can balance it for your solution. And that's unlike anybody shipping today.
And we can't leave without talking about AI. You've got an AI NPU that can run transformer models.
Transformer models integrated with the Google Coral NPU, bringing RISC-V technology into the NPU space and being extensible with open source tools. So what we can do today, full transformers, whether it's text transcribing, speech to text, vision-based transformer models, all running on the right price and performance product.
So if you're coming out with all these different products, is there going to be one developer board or multiple developer boards?
There will be multiple developer boards, and today we have numerous OEM partners or module partners that have already built modules and samples for it. We have SODIMMs, we have OSM grade modules, we have everything.
Okay.
And so, across the 5 families, each partner will pick obviously the different bits that they have customers for, but we expect a comprehensive ecosystem.
I look forward to playing with it, so I'm really hoping that I get some of those developer boards. But
we'll make it happen.
Thank you very much. This is actually, it's kind of funny because it's kind of like building. We first talked about some of these products earlier in the summer, and now it's coming to fruition. And just to see everything that you guys have done in a relatively short period of time is pretty phenomenal. So congratulations.
Oh, it's a great team behind me. Great team. We have an amazing group of designers and systems engineers that made it happen. So,
and we'll have more coming from Tech Day. So please like and subscribe and keep watching the latest TIRIAScast. Thank you.
Thanks, Tim.